Hey, Chaylee, how are you doing?
Good, how are you, Trish?
Yeah, good, good. You know, I was thinking about your eAlf as part of the evaluation unit. We're always just interested in what programs are doing for their ALFs. So, do you have a minute? Do you want to tell me about it?
I'd love to.
Good. So, I know you have like 3 things planned for your ALF. So, what's the first one?
Well, the first one is actually trying to illustrate an example of one of the 3 eAlf themes that we have, which happen to be communication, leadership, and administrative resilience. The first activity is showing some kind of example from a network that ICT4D works in that can exhibit one or more of these 3 attributes.
So, what network were you thinking of?
You know, that's a good question because we have a couple of networks that PAN works on, and we think that the Panacea network, which is our eHealth regional network, might be a good one.
And what of those 3 were you thinking of illustrating with Panacea?
It really touches on all 3, but mostly on the administrative resilience element. And maybe if I may, if you have some time. So here it is. Panacea stands for the Pan-Asian Collaboration for Evidence-Based eHealth Adoption and Application. It's a mouthful. Now, it's essentially a regional network of eHealth projects that we're supporting. Without getting into the specifics, essentially we have a network leader, Sharik Khoja, who's based in Pakistan, and he has an advisory and mentoring team, an AMT. Now, this is the element that we're really hoping to focus on, okay? Now, the purpose of the AMT really is to help provide support to the network leader, and as a result, they can help give Sharik support because they're eHealth experts and they can mentor, etc.
So, you're going to be making a video of the administrative resilience of this network or the issues that you're having with it.
That's
Is that
right. That's right.
And how are you going to do that?
You know, we were thinking about that, and we thought the best way would be to maybe reenact an AMT meeting. Because, if you will, do you mind if I use these?
Sure.
Okay, so we have 9 members, and they're spread out, as you'll see, all over, from the Philippines to Malaysia to Calgary to Ottawa, and also in Pakistan. So here we have 8 people. So let's say, for example, these 2 are Laurent and myself. We're also on the AMT. And then here we have Sharik, who's the project leader, Hamad, who works with him at AKU, which is the lead institution. And here we have Fahim, who works on the administrative finance aspects from the institution. Here we have Richard Scott from Calgary, Angelo from the Philippines, Ruben from the Philippines, and finally Molly from Malaysia. Now, as you can see, geographically, we're quite spread out. So
especially this guy in Calgary.
Yeah.
It's way over there.
It's way over there. So having a meeting means some people are waking up at 4 in the morning and some people are staying up until 9 in the evening, etc. So we're hoping to reenact the meeting to show the positive aspects of this AMT structure and also the negative aspects of it.
Understand your eAlf idea. You're not going to have to do a really polished kind of video about this. This could be just a couple minutes and just get your key messages out there, and people don't have to worry too much about the details and the editing.
That's exactly it. You know, it's for internal consumption. We just want to make sure this is fun, just very short, 2 minutes, and then that's it.
Well, that sounds great.